You finally did it. You bought a house. You're excited to move in and start this new chapter. But there's a problem. The people who sold you the house won't leave. This is a stressful situation, but you have options. Don't panic. Let's look at what you can do. This situation is more common than you think. Sometimes sellers need a little more time. Maybe their new home isn't ready yet. Other times they refuse to leave on purpose. Whatever the reason, you need to get them out. This is your home now. The first thing to remember is to stay calm. Getting angry won't help. It might even make things worse. You want to resolve this peacefully, if possible. This means understanding your rights as a homeowner. It's time to take action. Let's explore the steps you can take to get your house back. Remember, knowledge is power. Understanding the process will make you feel more in control during this challenging time. Start by talking to the previous owners. Be polite but firm. Find out why they haven't moved out. Maybe there's an easy solution. Perhaps they just need a few extra days. If you can work something out informally, that's always best. If talking doesn't work, send a formal letter. This letter should state that they are illegally occupying your property. Give them a deadline to leave. Keep a copy of this letter for your records. It shows you're being proactive. If you're not comfortable doing this alone, get your real estate agent involved. They are experienced in handling these situations. They can communicate with the previous owners on your behalf. Sometimes, having a third party involved can be helpful. Remember to document everything. Keep records of all conversations, emails, and letters. This will be important if you need to take legal action. Clear documentation strengthens your case. If the previous owners still refuse to leave, you'll have to evict them. This is a legal process, so you'll need to follow specific steps. First, you must file an eviction lawsuit with the court. This lawsuit informs the previous owners that they must appear in court. Once the lawsuit is filed, the court will schedule a hearing. During the hearing, a judge will listen to both sides of the story. You'll need to prove that you own the property and that the previous owners are illegally occupying it. Be prepared to present your evidence, including the sales contract and any communication records. If the judge rules in your favor, they will issue an eviction order. This order legally compels the previous owners to vacate the property. The sheriff's department will then enforce the eviction, physically removing them if necessary. Eviction is a last resort, but it's sometimes necessary. Remember, you have rights as a homeowner. The law is there to protect you. Nobody wants to go through this ordeal. That's why it's crucial to take steps to prevent it from happening in the first place. When you're buying a home, always include a specific clause in the sales contract. This clause should state that the seller must vacate the property by a specific date, the closing date. This date should be clearly defined and agreed upon by both parties. This provides legal clarity and protects both buyer and seller. Another important tip is to perform a final walkthrough before closing. This allows you to confirm that the property is vacant and in the expected condition. If the sellers still have belongings on the property, this is your chance to address it before finalizing the sale. Remember, being proactive is key. Taking these extra steps can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Buying a home is an exciting time, and you deserve to enjoy it without unnecessary stress.